Home Remedies presents
How to use soap nuts to make natural shampoo and cleaner. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you how to make your own natural shampoo and cleaner at home using soap nut. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Soap nuts contain saponin, a natural detergent. They were traditionally used as an expectorant and in Ayurvedic medicine as a treatment for eczema and psoriasis. Soap nuts are also used to make liquid cleaner, to clean dishes and even clothes. Besides many of these uses of soap nuts, which maybe I will try making more videos on it, today we will use soap nuts to make a really easy natural shampoo or body wash that is very mild and soothing to eczema or psoriasis. Soap nuts shampoo is also incredibly inexpensive to make and completely natural. The recipe I will give today can be prepared instantly and used while traveling as well. Soap nuts shampoo ingredients: handful of soap nuts, hot water. How to prepare? For big batch preparation, boil 3 to 4 cups of water and put handful of soap nuts in it and let it simmer for half an hour and then drain it. Let it cool down. Your concentrate is ready and the same can be stored in a glass jar or ice cube trays for ease of use. One batch can be stored for 7 to 10 days in the fridge. The concentrate is so versatile that it can be used to wash dishes, clean kitchen counters, floor, or almost anything. It can be a great substitute for dish washing liquid and body wash too. For instant preparation, especially while traveling. Here additionally you will need a bottle. You can use any empty bottle with a cap. I'm using the ketchup bottle. Make a powder of the soap nuts and store it in a Ziploc bag or jar. Take the empty ketchup bottle, add a tablespoon of powder, then pour hot water about 2 inches above the powder. Then close cap and shake. It will turn into foam and some will stay as liquid, which is okay. How to use? Massage a small amount in the hair and let it sit for 5 minutes. Rinse well. Where to buy? Mostly I suggest to purchase online, but in the past I have seen them in some herbal stores as they are getting more common. So you can check out there. Have you ever used soap nuts? How did they work for you? Let me know in the comments.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.